Hey guys, we're gonna be making another video today with Carter. So,
What up?
Yeah, what up? What up?
What up,
What up?
dude?
I don't know if we want to get the nerf guns. I don't know about that because I probably don't have bullets. So me and Carter can
just go find some.
wait. No, me and wait. Do I have a football?
We might play football.
I'm gonna go check if I have a football. So talk to them.
Okay.
If it stops, tell me.
So we're gonna be playing football. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we're gonna try. We don't know how that's gonna go, so the only way to do is just try. And I'm sorry for the pole that's right there. It's just that where the camera is, it's like sitting down. I'm sorry for the thing on the bottom and right here. Sorry for that thing right there. I'm sorry for that thing right there. Right here. Right here. I'm sorry for that. You just have to roll with the flow. So he's gonna say if he has a football. If he doesn't, we don't know what we can do. So see if he has a football. And we need give us on this video, if you give us 150,000 likes, we'll get something. We'll buy some nerf guns if we we'll buy some more nerf guns if we get 500 if we get 150,000 likes.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back.
Yeah,
so guys,
again,
for this challenge,
and again for the poll. Yeah, I'm sorry.
For this challenge, since I have a temporary bullet range, like bullets, since I only have a few, I didn't have time to look for more because that would just be waste of the video and I have to edit a lot. So we're gonna do a one dart challenge.
Yeah,
so it's where we run around here and we have to pick up our one dot. So I'll be using the Fire Strike Elite, and he'll be using the Hammer Shot from Zombie Strike. Okay? Let's do this.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Let's do it. Again, sorry for the poll.
Yeah. You ready? Did you cock it?
Yeah. Oh, you know what to do? Watch, we got a new game. Okay, so you stand right there, but not in front of the hands. Ready?
Set.
Don't aim for the foot.
Go.
No, don't aim for the face.
Yeah, aim down.
No, come see.
Wait, time out.
Time out. So we're gonna do this. So watch. So we're gonna start right here, but shoot it. Make sure it's not cocked. Shoot it. So it's not cocked. Oh yeah, just cock it. Never mind, just cock it. Cock it. So whenever I say go, we're gonna go, and whoever
Don't shoot.
gets hit first wins.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do that.
Sorry if you can't see Aiden or someone.
I'll be kind of in front of the camera.
Yeah. Ready?
Set. Go.
Did I hit you?
No.
You can't move.
I move. Like you can move after the shot.
Yeah, but you have to keep your feet on the ground. Okay, so no one shot. Ready? No aiming for face. Ready?
Set. Go.
Did I hit you? No. Did I hit you? No. Okay, get the bullet.
I didn't hit you.
Get the bullet. Oh, how did the bullet bounce back?
Are you sure it didn't hit you?
Yeah, I'm sure. How did the bullet bounce back first of all?
Okay, hit the tree top.
Ready?
Wait. Ready? Set. Go.
Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Where? You didn't hit me.
Head. You hit me in the head.
You didn't hit me.
I hit you?
No. One not. Now I'm winning. Ready?
We're going to. I don't know. No.
We're gonna go to 5.
Yeah, fine.
Ready?
Set. Go.
Yeah! That time I saved an island. Where is it? Where'd it go?
The hard part about finding stuff.
Yeah. So, 2-0. I'm winning. Ready?
Set.
Set,
Go.
go. Ah! You hit my wrist.
Yes.
Hit my wrist. If
1-2.
my wrist was a little on the side.
1-2.
Ready?
Set.
Go.
Go.
you shot it, gun. Whenever you shot it, you were.
Hey guys, guess what? I just cut myself.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Did I hit you? Yeah. Let me see.
Ready?
Set, go.
Ah! Right in the nuts. Okay, I know I hit you.
2 to 3.
2 to 3. I'm winning.
Wait, where's my bullet?
Right there.
Where? Cut.
Dude, that hurt. It was like, I ain't afraid of it, but I'm afraid of it if it hits my head. So try not to hit me.
Ready?
You cannot move. You can only do this. Ready? Say go. Oh, you know how I didn't shoot it that far? Whenever I shot it,
Did I hit you?
look, dude, whenever I shot it, and my hand was in the way, so I didn't shoot. 3, 2, 1.